Welcome Dana to Radio 1 Somalia.
So I think one of the really exciting things about the Somali Unity Conference today is to have people coming from 7 different major cities and sitting down together to talk about their common issues. And we're really clearly seeing what those common issues are. It's immigration, it's temp agencies, it's poverty, it's gun violence, it's mental health. And so because you've got people sitting together who are coming from many different cities, they're coming up not only just talking about the problems, but also talking about the solutions. The bigger issue here, though, is that all of our communities, no matter which culture, ethnic group, racial group you're part of, we all need to be doing this because if we don't, people like the government are just going to divide us. They have us pointing fingers at each other, saying, oh, it's not my community to blame, it's that community, or it's not me, it's those unions, or it's this group, or it's that group. And so really, and then they distract us, and then meanwhile, all of these policies and laws get passed, which are not benefiting any of us. And so we need to be really clear on what the problems are, what needs to get changed, and what our focus is in terms of making lives better for ourselves and for our families. And so that's one of the benefits of a meeting like this today.
Thank you, Dana.
Duntai afera,